Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to prevent Microsoft Word from automatically saving your files to OneDrive using two easy techniques. If you want better management of your storage or just want files on your hard drive, this is for you. Let's start with the most direct way by adjusting the internal settings. Open Microsoft Word and head to the File tab in the upper left corner. From the list that appears, go to the bottom and click Options. A new window will pop up. Look at the left sidebar and select Save. Within these settings, find the box labeled Save to Computer by default and check it. This ensures your PC is the primary storage destination from now on. Press OK to save these changes. Now, your documents will prioritize local storage. If you want to decide where each file goes individually, the second method is perfect. When you are ready to save your work, click the Save icon at the top of the interface. A window will appear where you should choose a location. This gives you the option to pick a specific spot every time. Navigate to your preferred folder on your computer and select it. Hit Save to finish the process. That covers two simple ways to manage your document storage. Whether you want a permanent default or manual control, these steps give you total flexibility. Thanks for watching, and I hope this improves your productivity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tips. Happy writing!